Suppose you are going to market to buy mangoes. In the lot, there are good and bad mangoes. Suppose that you select the mangoes randomly. At home, you count the number of bad mangoes in the n mangoes you bought. Let us call it x. Then x is an example of a binomial random variable. What is a binomial random variable? A random variable is called a binomial random variable under the following conditions. Each trial of the random experiment has only two possible outcomes, namely success and failure. There is a fixed number of trials, say n. Each trials are independent. The probability of success P remains the same in all trials. X is defined as the number of successes obtained in the n repetitions of the experiment. Then x is a binomial random variable whose probability density function is called binomial distribution. The binomial distribution can be defined as follows. A discrete random variable x is said to follow a binomial distribution with parameters n and p if its probability density function is given by f of x equal to ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus x, where x takes values 0, 1, 2, etc. up to n. 0 less than p less than 1, q plus p equal to 1, where q is the probability of failure in a single trial. As this is a discrete distribution, the graph of the probability density function will be a line graph. The notation B and P means the discrete variable x can be represented by the binomial distribution with n number of trials and P the probability of success. It may be noted that f of 0, f of 1, f of 2, etc. f of n are successive terms in the binomial expansion q plus p the whole raised to n. This is another reason for the name binomial. The binomial distribution is a very important discrete probability model that is used when there are only two possible outcomes. So, while using the binomial distribution, we should clearly specify which event is defined as success and which event is defined as failure. Now we shall see a couple of examples on binomial distribution. Suppose 3% of the units produced from a factory are known to be defective. Suppose the units are packed in a packet of 20 units. Let x denote the number of defective units in a packet of 20 units. Then x follows binomial distribution with n equal to 20 and p equal to probability of getting a defective unit from the factory equal to 3 by 100. Here, getting a defective unit is considered as a success and getting a non-defective unit is considered as a failure. Now, let us see another example. Let x denote the number of males in a family of 5 children. Here, a male birth is considered as a success and a female birth a failure. Then x follows binomial distribution with n equal to 5 and p equal to probability of a male birth, which is taken to be 0.5. Next, we shall see the descriptive measures of binomial distribution. For a binomial distribution with parameters n and p, mean is np and variance is npq. That is, variance is mean multiplied by q, where 0 less than q less than 1. Hence, for a binomial distribution, mean is always greater than variance. The measure of skewness beta 1 equal to q minus p the whole square by npq is a measure of asymmetry of the distribution. When q equal to p equal to half, the binomial distribution is symmetric. That is, the distribution will be the same on either side of the central value. When q greater than p, the distribution is positively skewed. That is, the distribution will be skewed to the right. And when q less than p, the distribution will be negatively skewed. That is, the distribution will be skewed to the left. The measure of kurtosis beta 2 equal to 3 plus 1 minus 6pq by npq is a measure of wickedness of the curve. Now let us consider a special case of binomial distribution called Bernoulli distribution or the point binomial distribution. A random variable taking only two values 0 and 1 is said to follow point binomial distribution if the probability density function is given by f of x equal to p raised to x into 1 minus p raised to 1 minus x equal to 0 1 0 less than p less than 1. That is, f of x equal to 1 minus p when x equal to 0 and p when x equal to 1. This distribution is a special case of binomial distribution when n equal to 1. The graph of this distribution will again be a line graph with two lines. For point binomial distribution, mean equal to p, variance equal to pq. This and all other population constants of point binomial distribution can be obtained from that of binomial distribution by putting n equal to 1.